ensure citizens benefit from the digital economy, the government and partners have developed various digital systems to improve government services, such as GPG, TIPS, MUSE, and TAUSI, which are revenue systems, NAPA, which is the National Address System, and MAMA, which is the Healthy Services System, NEST, which is the procurement system, NIDA, which is the National ID System, PEPMIS, which is a Public Service Human Resources System, and digital wallets used by over 72% of mobile users for financial transactions. Ladies and gentlemen, under the leadership of Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, the President of the United Republic of Tanzania, there have been strong emphasis on ICT systems, data exchange, and governance. We have developed the Jamii Exchange platform to facilitate national and international system interoperability. The government has also strengthened strategic ICT leadership across sectors, increased human resource to drive ICT initiatives, and improved ICT education for the public. This includes the establishment of the National ICT Professional Registration System, the implementation of the Digital Tanzania project, which has trained 500 ICT professionals, and the provision of the training programs for over 600 ICT professionals. The establishment of the digital clubs to teach basic ICT skills to citizens from the kindergarten to secondary level. The establishment of digital clubs to teach basic ICT skills to citizens, and the integration of ICT into the education curricula at all levels, and the implementation of the public awareness program to enhance digital literacy.
It is a great honor for me to be here today to officially hand over the Tanzania Artificial Intelligence Readiness Assessment Report, an important step that positions the country in a leading role for advancing ethical, inclusive, and human-centered AI governance on the African continent. This report translates the fruitful cooperation between UNESCO and the government of the United Republic of Tanzania, and especially the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, whose leadership in supporting this ambitious and timely initiative is highly appreciated. This report is a reaffirmation of the commitment of Tanzania to the implementation of the UNESCO recommendation of the ethics of AI, the world's first global standard on ethical governance on artificial intelligence, adopted in 2021 by 193 member states, but also to the UN Global Digital Compact and the EU Continental Strategy on AI. The report is the outcome of an inclusive process involving over 240 stakeholders from government, academia, private sector, civil society, and youth, ensuring wide participation and share ownership in building the country's AI future.
But let me summarize quickly. It has been 20 years we adopted the World Summit of Information, particularly the Declaration of Principle and the working definition of Internet governance. The digital landscape, driven by the rapid technology advancement, such as generative AI, blockchain, and the expansion of Internet of Things, cybersecurity challenge, and all issues related to the environment present as both complex opportunity and challenge for Africa digital transformation. Let me highlight some issues. I'm going to start by the bad news before the good news. Africa is the least internet connectivity across the world. with 62% of our population offline. We have 82% coverage by the mobile network, but 70% people living in this area are not connected. Also, another issue, it is the application on issue on related to the content. When you look at internet now, on the local content, we have Kiswahili, we have also Amara and other language. They account for 0.1% on the web content. Means our local content, our local language are not well represented in the web. And in Africa, we have more than 2,000 local languages. But we have seen a lot of progress made by African government. And now all African governments use digital technology as a key driver for socio-economic development. We have seen a lot of progress since 2005. In 2005, the connectivity was 2.1%. Today, we have 38% connected. Means with 2005, we have 17 million people connected. Now we have about 700 million people connected. I can give you a good example. Let's take the example of Tanzania. In 2005, Tanzania, the connectivity was 2.1%. Today, Tanzania has 75% connectivity.